voucher.
So, what is up, guys and girls? Halloween coming at you from a very soggy Mablethorpe. Crikey. I am not looking forward to this trip today. It is absolutely pouring down. There is standing water everywhere. I can barely see a bloody thing. I am anticipating aquaplaning all over the bloody shop. Not pleasant in the slightest today. Wow. I can't tell if all this is standing water or what, so I'm gonna have to, yeah, that's standing water. Oh my days. What an absolutely rancid day to be out on a motorcycle. It's literally a day of zero fucks given about going quickly today. My only objective is to make it there without getting dead. It's only 18 miles to Mablethorpe, but because of the really sort of crappity crap roads, sorry, it's only 18 miles from Mablethorpe to Skegness, but because of the really crappity crap roads, it takes about 40 minutes. Although I'm fairly certain it's 18 miles as the crow flies and not 18 miles as this bloody route takes us. I fully and wholly anticipate being completely and utterly sodden by the time I get to work. So yeah, not one of the better moves. I suppose there are some graces. At least it hasn't snowed, which it kind of said it might do, so I'm pleased about that. If this much rain had fallen as snow, I almost certainly wouldn't be going to work today. It's cold, it's wet, it's miserable. In fact, everything that the weather is exactly what I'm feeling right now. It's windy as well. Oh, Katie, just get us there without being dead, please. My God. There's a hotel here. Can we just check in and be done with it? Just check in and be done with it. I'll phone work, I'll say. Work. It's the bank holiday. Nobody's gonna come in because of the weather, and I don't want to die. Don't want to aquaplane. I can already feel the cars building up behind me. Haven't even got out of town, and my hands are already getting that kind of, you know, that weird numb feeling that you get. Kind of pins and needlesy. What the hell are you doing? Why? Just why would you do that? I mean, I have to go to work, but there is no reason for you to be out running in this. None whatsoever. Get back to bed, you donut. I think I'm going to have to stop and buy some undergloves or something. Well, we've made it to Sutton-on-Sea, rather slower than I would have liked, but we've made it. And I'm not yet dead, which I count as a win. Oh, crikey. What a horrid, horrid day. I'm just hoping that the camera is picking up at least some. You can get some kind of idea of what the weather's like. This is a waterproof jacket, and I'm fairly certain I'm starting to get soggy patches already, and I have about another 30 odd minutes to go. Do you know what? This is the first time. Oh, a big drop of water's gone down my arse crack. Oh, that's so cold. Get it out. Somebody dig it out of my arse crack. Oh my goodness. Do you know, I'm fairly certain that this bike could handle far more in the wet, but do you know what? I don't have the skills to be able to handle the rain right now. Give me, oh no, it's all dripping inside my gloves now as well. Jesus. I am literally soaking wet. That would have been a better option today. Go and get the bus, Craig. Next time we find ourselves in this position. Although, actually, do you know what? I'm not going to lie. I couldn't leave the bike. My family are coming home today. From our little stay over at Golden Sands, which was lovely, by the way. Shout out Golden Sands, well played again. For those of you who don't know what Golden Sands is, that is a haven based in Mablethorpe. This just goes to show that my wet weather gear is not up to much. Oh, I'm sorry about all the sniffling as well. Because I am basically wet through right now. This is one of those times where, look, I've done something stupid with my gloves. I'm going to see if I can show you this. I've put the glove, or sorry, the sleeve on the inside of the glove. I guess that's a lesson for next time, which is put the glove on the inside of the sleeve. Oh, gosh. And now there's shit all over the road. Could this day get any worse? Lincolnshire is without doubt trying to kill me in Katie today. I'm doing, more water. There's got to be a swimming pool in my arse by the time I get to work. Slippery road surface, brilliant. How nice it must be to live in a country where the majority of the time it is sunny. I've got drips coming through pretty much every part of my gear. My toes are frozen. Oh my God. I can confirm that my boot is not waterproof on account of I've just felt a stream of liquid go across the bottom of my foot as I lifted it back up there. Oh God. Any tips on waterproof gear, guys? Let me know in the comments below if you know of any good stuff. Katie, at least you got me here in one piece. I'm normally singing your praises, Katie, and I once again am very happy that you've got me here. But my God, I wish you weren't a motorbike today. I haven't even got anything to say today. My foot's slipping off the bloody peg as I try and get off the bike.
Make the ground shake.